We are at Ikea, and that's where we're gonna film today's vlog. Well, part of it anyway. We have Tania back there with her niece and her mom. Let's go inside. Looks like they got a little play area for the kids. So basically what you do, you get your shopping list here, a pencil, and as you walk around the store, you write the product name, the aisle, and the bin number, I guess. And then you pick it up once you're done. Up to the showroom we go. Tania has her black tea from Starbucks. You like it?
Thanks to Emma, I'm drinking these. Hi Emma.
It's pretty good. I tasted it. And I think from now on I'm gonna start getting some tea instead of the white mocha, which has a lot more calories. Look at this kitchen. Wow.
Nothing.
It's like plastic.
35 bucks.
Very nice kitchen. When I have my house, I'm gonna have a room that looks like this.
I guess he's leaving without me.
No, our house.
Oh.
When we have our house, I want a room like this. With all these shelves. Probably like a computer desk there with my Mac. Right here I could have some Masters of the Universe classics or G.I. Joes. Nice little living room setup here. The flat screen. The home office. This cool chair here. How do you like that chair?
It's actually pretty comfortable.
It rocks, right?
It sure does. It rocks.
I like this couch a lot.
It's our couch, honey. We just moved in here. Hey guys, this is our new living room. Isn't it pretty?
It's leather.
It is? How much is it? I would like a couch like this for the house.
It's firm, but it's still comfortable.
I like that setup there.
Look, like floating dressers.
I like that.
Look, floating dressers.
I like these comforters. They're like gray, right?
Cuidado, cuidado. Yo quiero una cocina blanca. ¿Ahora? No, en la casa. Para my house.
I like those little lights under the cabinets.
Look. You turn them off and on.
Show us how this cool table here works.
Oh, excuse me, little one. Whatever your name is. Yeah. Type that in.
That's cool.
What are you having?
Swedish meatballs and some oranges. Almost done. Okay, we had our lunch. We're finished looking at the top floor, and we're right here in the first floor. They call it the marketplace. So we're gonna look around. This is the main warehouse area where they keep all the merchandise. It's huge. So we are done with Ikea. Very nice store. I liked it a lot. I have my delicious treats here. Vanilla frozen yogurt. Tania got one too. And we're gonna head back home. It's about a half-hour drive, so see you in a little bit. It's my aunt's birthday today, so.
Beep! Birthday.
My aunt's beep.
We're not allowed to disclose that information.
Happy birthday!
Felicidades.
Say hi.
No.
Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
What's up? What's up, homie? There's the cake. That's what's left over of the lasagna right there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Carimita. Happy birthday to you. Remember, subscribe Freddy and Tania.com. Okay, remember?
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for tonight. We had a pretty fun day, productive. Did a whole bunch of things. And we're gonna be back tomorrow.
We are?
Yeah, with another chapter.
Oh.
We're gonna go run. We're gonna exercise.
Yeah.
Because today we didn't.
And we
So-
ate like pigs.
So that's it.
I know I did.
Have a good night.